Hey yo, what it do? It's your boy J Lou, and you are just in time for something new. Alright, now in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it very short, very simple, get straight to the point in regards to how to get waves using Scotch Porter's hair balm. Now, one thing I also want to say is I got new merch and everything on my site, you know what I'm saying? Basically the Elite Waver shirts. On the front of it says Elite Waver, and then on the back of it has the JustinTime logo. I'll make sure I link a video right above to Deep Wave Squad, and he basically was rocking the shirt and everything like that. But I want to give a big salute to him. But y'all didn't click on the video for that. Y'all clicked on the video to learn more about how to use the hair balm. So let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into it. Alright, now one thing I can say is ever since I dropped my video in regards to the Scotch Porter Ambassadorship program that they selected me for, I've been using nothing but their products. And what I mean when I say that is it definitely helps simplify my routine. And for me, when it comes to my product reviews, I try to only use the products that I'm going to review by themselves, basically to see what kind of effect I can get out of it. Now, those products included the Scotch Porter hair wash. This is the shampoo that you use in your hair. It also included the Scotch Porter conditioner, you know what I'm saying? So these two products, I'll make sure I link a video right above here that shows you guys how I choose to wash my hair. But once you get your hair nice and damp and clean and everything like that, then you go into using the Scotch Porter hair balm. Now, the thing that really surprised me was the fact that I was able to use this product by itself for the entire time that I've been using it. You know what I'm saying? That amazed me. Now, with that being said, when it comes to using it, the directions are simple. All you have to do is apply the product while your hair is damp and apply it to your scalp and everything of that nature. So let's get into it. So what I'm gonna do is take a towel, do the hot towel method and everything just to make sure that my hair gets somewhat damp, because as of right now, as you can see, my hair is definitely not wet, you know, so I'm gonna just take a hot rag, rub it across my head, and then apply the product. Alright, now that that's done, depending on your hair length, you may need to take either a dime or a nickel size amount of the product to apply to your hair. So as you guys can see, I've basically been using this bad boy. It's been filled to the brim, but the thing is, I don't use a lot of it because a little bit goes a very long way. The product container is only 3 ounces, but with that being said, it definitely lasts you for a good minute, you know. So what I typically do is just take my finger, get about that much right there, as you can see, rub it in my hands like that, even distribution, and then just simply pat out from my crown. Once you've applied it into your hair, make sure you rinse your hands because you don't want to grab your brushes or anything with products on your hands. And then you take your favorite brush. I typically recommend you use a medium brush. You can use any medium brush that you prefer, but for myself, I love using the Torino Pro Curve brushes because they have the pointed end, and then you simply brush your hair in the desired style that you want your waves to come in at. Alright, now once you're done, you can either use the plastic bag or you can use your hands and just simply rub your hair down in the direction that you want it to go in, basically to help lay it down. Rag up, wear the do-rag for at least 30 minutes and then unrag, and you should be able to see the results that you're looking for. As for me, I'm gonna use the So Many Waves do-rag. I'll make sure I leave the link in the description if you want to be able to cap this bad boy, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, I'm gonna also use a monsoon cap as well for my compression. So let's get into it. Alright, so once you got them bad boys on like that, I'll basically rock this bad boy for about 30 minutes and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what the results look like. So with that being said, y'all just give me a moment. that being said, I don't think nothing else needs to be said. At the end of the day, like I tell you guys, when it comes to my reviews, whenever it comes to doing a product review, I only use the products that they want me to review. I don't fake any of my reviews. I don't try to manipulate my hair or anything of that nature, you know what I'm saying? I honestly was thoroughly impressed with the hair balm, because a lot of times people are told that they have to follow an LOC and all that stuff like that, and then they get confused about all these different products that they have to try to keep up with, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is, Scotch Porter actually came up with products to simplify the whole entire process. Now in the future, I'm gonna get into a little bit more breaking down of the ingredients and everything of that nature, because I know a lot of people probably want to know more information about that. But the thing I can honestly say, and the reason why I love this little combo right here, is whenever it comes to doing the LOC, right, a lot of people typically think LOC stands for each individual product. But just to keep it real simple, right after I get through washing my hair, I immediately apply the hair balm. And one of the things about this product, it doesn't say it on the label, but you can use this product almost every single day, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm low porosity, I don't have to use it every single day, but if you needed to, you could. So with that being said, if you guys were impressed by the results and you want to be able to try the products, if you buy anything through the link down below, which I'll make sure I put in my comments, what Scotch Porter told me that they would do is they will put your name in a hat to be able to win either a free year supply of the hair balm or the beard balm. Now, the beard balm is this stuff right here. I've been using the beard balm on my beard as well. But I just wanted to make this quick little video because from now all the way to June 14th, if you buy anything, once again, your name will go into a hat for a chance to win a year supply of either the hair balm or the beard balm. Like I tell you guys all the time, everything I do, I try to do stuff and set things up to be able to help you guys out, especially if you guys choose to help me out by simply watching these videos. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like. And at the end of the day, if you learn something new, feel free to share this bad boy. It's your boy J. Lou. With that being said, salute.
I was born in the H, raised in the South. Can't tell me nothing but diamonds in my mouth. From trunk up the deuce, we keep our top drop sitting sideways on haters. With the trunks pop, knocking pictures off the wall, or knocking those dimes draped up and dripped out, showing us a rhyme. You already know, or get your mind correct, trill, recognize trill, or you can back.